This is my recipe for Csirke Paprikás or paprika chicken. This rich chicken dish is delicious served with sour cream or creme fraiche, and I love to serve mine with a side of parsley potatoes. Start by seasoning some bone-in chicken thighs with plenty of salt and pepper on both sides, making sure you really rub it into the skin. And then you want to fry both sides of your chicken in a very hot pan with plenty of olive oil and butter until you get this beautiful golden brown appearance on both sides and a crispy skin. Set your chicken aside, and to the same pan that you cooked your chicken in, add your onions, and when they're soft you can add a good squeeze of tomato paste. Add plain flour and allow that to fry out for a minute or two before you add plenty of fresh minced garlic. Now this is very important. Turn off your heat before you add sweet, smoky and strong paprika. You want to make sure the heat is turned off at this point to avoid burning your paprika, which will make your dish taste bitter. Then add your chicken or vegetable stock a little at a time to avoid any lumps. And then you want to add your tomatoes. You can use fresh, but I used some canned plum tomatoes which I just crushed by hand. And then you want to stir through your sliced bell peppers, a couple bay leaves, and allow this to simmer covered for approximately 5 minutes until it thickens. Once your sauce has thickened, remove the bay leaves, add your salt and pepper, and then stir through a generous dollop of sour cream or creme fraiche, making sure you stir quickly to avoid it curdling. Stir through a handful of fresh parsley and add your chicken back to your pan. Cover with foil and bake at 180°C for 20 minutes, uncover and bake for a further 10 minutes. And when your chicken has cooked, garnish with an extra handful of fresh parsley. For your parsley potatoes, fry some diced onions in butter and olive oil. When your onions are soft, add some pre-boiled new potatoes, salt and pepper, and fry until they're a little golden on both sides. Turn off the heat and stir through some fresh parsley. And now it's just time to serve up your delicious parsley potatoes with that rich paprika chicken. I love to serve mine with plenty of creme fraiche and sour cream on the side. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please either like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and thank you for watching.